Good morning. Uh, Yesterday, I obtained a landmark judgment uh, that may help you all who all are dealing with the POSCO cases. The case was Criminal Appeal number 468 of 2019, judgment dated 18 January 2021, yesterday. Justice Vel Murugan has delivered the judgment. The case was that there were a few youngsters, adolescents, seems to have stalked girls belonging to other village, and there was some altercation, exchange of words. Subsequently, they were arrested for offences under Section 8 of POSCO Act, Section 12 of POSCO Act, and 354A of Indian Penal Code. The POSCO Court acquitted these accused for Section 8 because there was no misbehavior by touching or something else to attract Section 8. But the lower court convicted the accused under Section 12 of the POSCO Act as well 354A IPC. Under Section 354A IPC, 1,000 rupees fine was imposed. Under Section 12, 1 year imprisonment was imposed. So, according to my argument, there may not be two punishment for single actor, because there are two categories of offences, definitions, one under Indian Penal Code and other under POSCO Act. So I have read the important provisions under Section 42 of the POSCO Act, which reads as follows: alternative punishment. Where an act or omission constitute an offence punishable under this Act and also under Section 166A, 354A, 354B, and so and so. Then, notwithstanding anything containing any law for time being in force, the offender found guilty of such offence shall be liable to be punished under this Act or under Indian Penal Code as provides for punishment which is greater in degree. So he should be punished either under IPC or under POSCO Act, not by both. So while selecting the section, the punishment greater in degree should be preferred. So my argument was accepted. So here the usual practice, even yesterday also, some 46 years punishment was this because they give punishment under Section 376 as well as POSCO Act. POSCO Act is expanded act. Therefore, keep in mind, as soon as the copy is downloaded, I circulate it to you for all your purpose. The other case for today's reference was AR 2020, Supreme Court 5592. It's also most important case. AR 2008 SC 1044, AR 1991 SC 45 were overruled, wherein the confession given before the NDPS officer is hit under Section 25 of the Evidence Act. This was categorically discussed. The Section 6753 of NDPS Act were discussed, and the 67 of the NDPS where the statement recorded cannot be used as confessional statement. Word police officer was deeply defined under this judgment. Judgment was delivered by Nariman, Justice Nariman, Naveen Sinha and Indira Banerjee. Judgment was there. Kindly go through the entire judgment. Indira Banerjee was dissented, got delivered some different judgment. So go through the entirety of judgment and casus omissus, doctrine of casus omissus also discussed. They say if a statutory provision is open to more than one interpretation, the court has to choose that interpretation which represents the true intention of the legislature. Then they say it is proper to read the provision in the context of intention of the legislature. They say then, on the principle of expressed maxim, at regis magis valet comperit, the principle that courts, while pronouncing on the constitutionality of statute, starts with the presumption in favor of constitutionality and prepare a construction which keeps statute within competence of legislature. Therefore, when the statute is vague, the court will give such interpretation that keeps the statute in conformity with the fundamental rights. Therefore, this judgment, by giving weight to the fundamental rights guaranteed under Part 3 of the Constitution, held that the NDPS officer is also a police officer by referring a lot of discussion by comparing one section after other section. So the conviction based solely on the purported confessional statement recorded under section 67 is no evidentiary value. The statement was given to and recorded by an officer who is to be treated as police officer and is thus hit by section 20 of the Evidence Act. Then no such confessional statement could be recorded under section 67 of the NDPS Act. Therefore, they have held this judgment. Kindly go through the judgment, very deep judgment. Those who are really interested to enlarge your knowledge on the interpretation of statutes, the case law was Tofan Singh versus State of Tamil Nadu. The case been referred from Madras High Court. I hope you understand this case. The counsel who appeared for the appellant in criminal appeal was Justice S. Nagamuthu. So they have discussed about fundamental rights and the NDPS Act. The first most important constitutional protection provided in the fundamental rights chapter, so far as these cases are concerned, is provided by Article 23, which is well-known right against self-incrimination. Article 23 reads as follows: no person accused of any offence shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. So this was deeply discussed, and finally testimonial compulsion is guaranteed under Article 23. The phrase used in Article 23 is to be witness. A person can be a witness not merely giving oral evidence, but also by producing document, making intelligible gestures in the case of dumb witness, and all lot things were discussed. Mere questioning of an accused person by a police officer resulting in a warrant which may ultimately turn out to be is not compulsion. To be a witness is not equivalent to furnishing evidence. Thumb impression or impression of foot or palm, finger or specimen writing or showing part of the body by of identification are not included in the expression to be witness. So the term to be witness was also discussed by 11-judge bench. Kindly read the entirety of judgment. You can very well be capable of developing your legal knowledge in challenging convictions based upon NDPS Act. So this will be a turning point of the practice, criminal side practitioner in defending the defense sides, because almost in all cases the confession statement was considered as the gospel truth, and convictions were delivered on the basis of sole confession statement, sometimes Therefore, this reference was answered. Kindly follow this best is. என்னப்பா வேணும் சொல்லு. காசு வேணுமா? சரி.
ஸ்டாப் பண்ணல
எஸ்ஆர் நம்பர் உங்ககிட்ட இருக்கா?
ஸ்டாப் பண்ணல
ஸ்டாப் பண்ணலையா?